Here we are, March 21st, 2021, and I live in a city here in Manitowoc, and I made my first harvest out of my garden for the year. Just recently the soil unthawed, and I noticed that the voles were digging at the skirret a little bit. And once they get at that, boy, they just keep digging until they get it all ate. And but more importantly, that was a signal that the soil was unthawed enough to harvest. So I made this monstrous harvest out of just a few plants, and I'm going to show it to you right now. We have a hole here at the base of the skirret plant. That means the voles are eating our skirret roots. It's time to do a little harvesting. Let's see if we can get up on it here. There's that one. But there might not be anything left to harvest. Oh boy. Got some big root down there. Whoa. Oh my God. That's why. Oh, look at that. That's just monsters. I broke a bunch off, so now I'm going to have to dig in there. Oh, and here's some garlic. You could be eating on that. Oh, I can't believe those roots were that big. I've done that before where I underestimated it. You get just enough of a few of them without a very good root system, and you think they're all like that. Boy, they really get down there when they're older. That was a 2-year-old plant. Moving pretty easy, so they must have ate it already. Oh, maybe not. Now that one wasn't as big. Still, there's lots and lots of stuff on here. Okay, so that one wasn't as big, but there's still a lot of food on here compared to this one. Of course, I ripped off a bunch of these, but look at that. That's a lot of food right there. Let's go over here and get some salsify. So this, I think, is a potato onion. I'm going to take that too. I had potato onions on this side the last year. Ooh, that one didn't grow that well. There's some little ones on here. Still, it's food. This is salsify. I want them to grow into one big, massive root. This tells me I got lots of nitrogen here, so maybe I should plant corn in here this year. There, that's more like a salsify right there. There we go. That's a winner. That, I think, is an elephant garlic, because I had those planted here. Must have missed it. Oh yeah, look at that one. That's a nice one. Here's another salsify. March 21st. I'm harvesting out of my garden. Yeah, these are potato onions. So now I just ran out of potato onions, so now I got another fresh batch for tomorrow morning. I think that's a regular garlic. I don't think this skirret is going to amount to much here. No, not too bad. Not too bad. There's another one of those garlics. Here we have more garlic. And elephant garlic. This is salsify right here. These two roots are way too busy, so there's not a lot there, but these two are dandies. Look at that. Dandies. And here are the skirrets. The little ones from in the back. These are the ones from the front here. And then there's a whole bunch of skirret pieces that I dug out. Right there. That is a lot of stuff right there. Wonder if I can get them all in there at the same time. There we go. Let's cut them apart now. Okay. So what I would like to find out is, and I think I can guess that this is the case, do these keep growing? Now I plant this with these skinny roots. Are these the roots that get fatter, or do they make their biggest roots off the new plants that are springing up? That's what I want to know. This is something I want to replant. I don't write anything down. I don't have a journal, so it was just fly by the seat of my pants. Now this is a root system right here. I know this one was pretty old, an old plant. This might be 3 years old. Let's look at that. That might be the longest skirret root that I've ever harvested right there. I don't know, I've harvested some big ones, so I'm not sure. It's pretty close if it's not. If you don't think I've had enough yet, just wait. I got lots more plants I can take up. This is really healthy food. I noticed I've been eating potatoes now. I've got some potatoes left, and I'm just getting to the end of them. And when I eat the potatoes, I seem to get hungry 4 hours later. When I eat the skirret and the salsify and corn, I've been fermenting corn, I can go until lunch, 6 hours, without feeling hungry. So that kind of tells you something about this food compared to potatoes. All right, that is a pile of food right there. Look at that. Look at that. That is a lot. And there's more that I dug out. I got those pieces in there yet. I'll go get those now. I'm sure I dropped one, but it's hard to see on these chips. Finally, this is my composting area here that doubles also as a growing area. And here are the skirret stalks that I just harvested. So they'll sit there real nice. They'll grow a little bit. The property up north, it doesn't unthaw. The soil doesn't unthaw for a couple weeks after it does down here. So we gotta wait. And here are skirrets that I grew from seed. And I'm gonna let those grow another year. And along with that, there's going to be seeds down in here. So little bitty plants are gonna grow. So it's gonna be plants from seed, plants from seed that grew on here. So that'd be the second generation. Since I'm here, I might as well show you. I still got all these beans to harvest yet. Ah, look at that. They're going to outlaw growing food because they don't like it. They want to make money selling food to us. Them bastards.